First of all, we will show you how our app functions.
Here is our app. It's already downloaded, and here is the first screen where it's shown the title of our app, Welcome to Lightdale, and a little description. We have two buttons, the bottom of Set Schedule and the bottom of More Info. In More Info, we're going to find this other screen where it's an image of the equipment you require, a button of Return, and the instructions for the app. If we click Return, we will get back to the first screen.
Instead, if you click in the bottom Set Schedule, so now in this second screen called Set Schedule, you can enter all the activities you want with a specific hour and also with the kind of activity. This means the kind of importance of the activity. So
first of all, we have to click on, so the alarm is already prepared to sound. Then we have to click on Connect to connect our cell phone to Bluetooth, or disconnect if we don't want it to be connected anymore. This will help us to connect it with the physical part that is going to be the Arduino, which has the lights. So here is already an example. Breakfast at 11:21 a.m. It's less important. So since it's less important, the light color green is going to turn on. We're going to put another example. We're going to put run. We have to click enter. Then establish hour. We're going to put 11:50 a.m. since it's 11:48 a.m.
So in the moment you establish an hour, you are setting an alarm that will notify you when you have to do that specific activity.
And then we put the importance of that activity. It's going to be alert. So the light of color red is going to turn on. And this is going to be sounding at 11:50 a.m. We just have to wait.
At the same time, a light will be turned on, since this is the objective of our app, to notify you by sound and by light. So now we can see that it's already 11:50. That's why it's notifying you and the alarm is sounding. At the same time, you can see in here in the Arduino that the red light has been turned on, since we selected an alert type of importance of the activity.
We can click here and it turns off. And if we click it again, it's going to be sounding, because it's still 11:50 a.m. It's going to turn off completely when it's 11:51 a.m. So we can click return, and it's again in the first screen.
So as you can see, we have in here 3 different lights: the green light, the yellow light, and the red light, each one with a different objective. Also, in here we have our package. Inside of it will be our Arduino.
So the first light, it's green, and we're controlling it with the monitor series. But it's not necessary to use the monitor series with our app, because it's going to turn on without any help, and just by knowing the importance of the activity that you schedule. Now I'm going to turn it off. Then the next light, that it's the white one, the yellow one, and it indicates that it's not too important or a little important. It's like in the medium. I'm going to turn it off right now. And the final light, that it's red. It's the most important of all, and I can turn it off. So the objective of having these lights is that you can buy a lot of this equipment and put it in different parts of your home, so you can see the lights turning on when you have to do an activity, and you can remind when you have to do something and the importance of the thing you have to do in every place that you are.